How to customize shapes in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize shapes in Figma. Firstly, open your Figma application on your device and then open any recent designs. Or else you may also click on the create button at the top right and then select the design option. This will take you to the editing space. Once you reach to this space, here now you will need to first draw the shape. At the bottom you will be able to see this editing tool. Simply click on this rectangle shape icon and then draw the rectangle by simply clicking and dragging the plus button. By doing so, you will be able to draw a rectangle. Now if you'd like to customize this shape, you will need to first click on it, and at the right side you will be able to see these options. At the very bottom you will be able to see the stroke option. Simply click on it and then from here you may select the color. You may slide the slider to the right color and then simply click on it in order to color the border. Also, if you'd like to fill in the color, you may locate this fill option first and then click on this little square right here. Now you can select the color. Simply click on this color right here in order to fill the color. Further, you may also scroll a bit down. Here select the effects option and then from here click on this drop shadow option and choose the effect you like. Also, if you want to edit the vector points, then you can simply double click the object or the shape in order to enter the vector edit mode, and at the right side now here you can adjust the points. Also, if you'd like to customize or change the shape, you may use this curve option and then click on the edges and drag it. This will help you to draw a different shape. So by following these steps, you should be able to customize shapes in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.